Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen on launch for Mecha Break for Windows. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is make sure that antivirus software is, well, there's an exception put in, or you have it turned off. So what you want to do is type in search Windows security, look at virus and threat protection, click on that. You're going to see something called virus and threat protection settings. Go to manage settings and turn off real-time protection. Also, you want to go to firewall and network protection. You'll see something called public network and you want to turn this off. And this should fix a lot of different people. If it does work, I recommend you putting in exclusion and for each of these. The next you want to do is update your GPU drivers, of course, but also I would recommend updating your Windows. So go to type in settings. On the left hand side you're going to see something called Windows Update, and then you'll see something called Update Now and Restart Now, and I would recommend doing this. This fixes a lot more issues than you might think. The next thing you want to do is run in compatibility mode. So how do you do that? Well, you open wherever the software is located. So find Mecha Break, for example, on Xbox. It's the same on Steam as well. Right click on it, go to Manage, go to Files, go to Browse. From here, go to Mecha Break Content. And then scroll down until you see something called mechabreak.exe. You gotta right click on this, click on Properties. From here, you'll see the Compatibility tab. And from here, you want to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, even if you're not on Windows 8, and see if that fixes the issue. By the way, I would also recommend running this program as an administrator just to see if that works. Okay, the next thing you want to do is force DirectX 11. So in Steam, this is very easy to do. You just right click on the game, go to properties. You'll see something called launch options here. Type in -DX11, exit out and hit play, and that will force it to run in DirectX 11 instead of 12. And that should fix the issue. On Xbox, it's a little bit more difficult. You have to find the executable. So basically you would go right click on it, you would go to manage, you go to create desktop shortcut, and you'll right click on the shortcut. I'm gonna go here to the executable because I don't have desktop and shortcuts enabled on my computer. Right click on it, go to properties. You're gonna see something here called mechabreak.exe space -DX11. Hit apply, hit OK, then launch it from this executable, and that will force it to run in DirectX 11. See if that works. If it doesn't work, move on to the next step. So the next step is to right click on the game, go to manage, go to files, go to verify and repair if you're on Xbox app. If you're on Steam, it's a very similar thing. You right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files to see if that works. Okay, the next thing you want to do is disable full screen optimizations. So again, go back to wherever it is installed. You find the executable here, Mecha Break, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility. And you'll see something called disable full screen optimizations. It's kind of small, but you'll see that. Click apply and hit OK and see if that fixes the issue. And last but not least, I recommend using a program called Exit Lag. What is this program? Basically, it's a VPN, except it makes your online games run faster. So how do you use it? You just download it. It is free for the first 3 days. You click on it, it's $5 a month. After that, you find the game, you find the server, you've hit, let's say I'm in Asia, automatic server selection, you apply the routes and it will find the servers closest to where you are. I have 3 ping on Steam. It is absolutely amazing. It has other things too that are good. You can do FPS boost, which has a bunch of options. You can also shotgun your internet, meaning that you can take different internet connections and use them all at the same time. It is amazing. I highly recommend it. I'll put this in the video description below. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.